Hi guys. I'm probably wondering, why do you have 3 shadows? And Poppy DJ, why are you sitting in a place that has a random calendar from Saint Anita and a magnetic dartboard at the top of the screen? Well, that's because I just made a really new and crazy idea. I've wanted to have a complete setup, studio lighting and a studio microphone to have the best sound. And I talked to my dad about it, and he told me that I have the best phone cameras and microphones can give you, an iPhone X. So I decided, well, if I'm gonna start making YouTube careers even better, why don't I just make my own studio? So here's a new studio tour. It's basically my room. I'm literally watching YouTube. on my Wii U, so that's saying I'm savage. So here's how my lighting works. Right here we got a lamp, which even has a light down here, which is amazing. Of course, you gotta close the curtain so you have studio lighting and nothing else shining on you. I also got a flashlight pointing at my chair on top of a dresser, and another flashlight right against my TV pointing at me, and my chair, which is literally on a stool. So, of course, I got all my messed up stuff. I got an In-N-Out Dr. Pepper and 3 Guitar Hero guitars, because why not? And, of course, my bed. So, ooh, you see a light. Flight. Okay, so that's literally my entire studio. I got no special equipment. Probably the best equipment I have is either this phone or my MacBook Air, which is my mom's, but I downloaded 2 new editing softwares yesterday, so that at least worked. And guys, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button if you want to see some more and or better. Okay. There we go. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure once you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I make a new video. That's probably it for today, because I just wanted to make a quick update about what's going on, just so you know if you're confused why I have 3 shadows in my background now and why I'm literally on a chair that's on a stool that can fold. Just why not? So literally, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And bye.